Hello, everybody. Today we will talk about how you can install and configure Hugo on your computer. What is Hugo? Hugo is not your average static site generator. It is a fast and modern static site generator written in Go and designed to make website creation fun again. Technically speaking, Hugo is absolutely free, and unlike systems that dynamically build a page with each visitor request, Hugo builds pages when you create or update your content. Since websites are viewed far more often than they are edited, Hugo is designed to provide an optimal viewing experience for your website's end users and an ideal writing experience for website's authors. For the installation of Hugo, the following prerequisites are necessary: PowerShell, Chocolately, Git, GCC, and Go. There are, of course, many more ways to install and configure Hugo. For me, the easiest way was to do it with Chocolatey Package Manager and Git, and you can choose to do it in another way, the way you like PowerShell and GitHub. Links are included in the description below for your convenience. Let's jump on the PC and have a look how we can configure it using Chocolatey. First step would be to install Chocolatey. As you can see, the link is here and it will be pasted also in the description below. Let's jump on the terminal and install Chocolatey for our convenience. The first step would be to install or make sure that the shell is running with administrative privileges. As you can see, this is not the case now, so I will close it and open it again. Now that it's running with administrative privileges, let's see what the execution policy for the machine looks like. When we see as restricted, we will need to have it as bypassed, or maybe to have it unrestricted. I will choose bypass, and then using the scripts, which I will paste here, we will install Chocolatey on our machine. The installation is really fast, as you have seen. And now we can check the installation of the Chocolatey software by using chocolate and slash question mark, and you can see it is installed. The second step would be to install Git as prerequisite for Hugo. For this, I have already opened the link for the repository. You can use the exe file, which is included in the link, or we can use Chocolatey by using the following command: choco install git. This will install the software, all the prerequisites, and will finish the installation without us needing to click through the menus like in the case of the exe installation. We are asked if we want to approve this. Of course, we want to have all prerequisites installed for Git, and we will wait for the installation to proceed. First of all, we need to reopen the terminal, and we can see the Git was installed successfully. The third and last step would be to install Hugo. For this, we will use again the Chocolatey package manager. We have two options to install it with the simple installation and extended installation. Extended installation means that in case you need the SASS or SCSS, this would be the way to go. But in our case, we will do the default installation. Process is really simple using Chocolatey. You don't need to go through a bunch of links looking for your prerequisites. You just use one single tool in order to have all the installations going. Now Hugo is also installed. What are the next steps? After the installation is done, we need to configure Hugo. And for the configuration, I will attach the link in the description with the quick install guides. There are a lot of options to install and configure Hugo. We have installed it with using the Chocolatey package manager, and the configuration, I will not go through the entire link. I will paste it in the description below so you have a look for yourself. And in case you want to try another installation, you can do it like this. You can see you have also Docker for your convenience, you have PowerShell. But for the configuration, let's go through the following steps. First of all, we need to go to the C drive and create a directory called Hugo. We go to the directory and then create two additional directory called sites and bin. Sites will be the directory where the sites will be located, and bin will be the location of the binaries. After this is completed, we need to download the last version of the Hugo executable using the following link. You need to scroll a little bit down, and as you can see for Windows, the assets are not including in the default view. You need to click on the show all assets, and then we will choose our Windows 64-bit zip file, open it, and extract the content of the file in our newly created folder called bin. The next step will be to configure the environmental variables. For this, we need to go to Path, to edit the path, and browse for our newly created file bin. And this will help the system know that you will use Hugo and that Hugo can be used as a command in the command line, and it can be known for the entire system from whatever Hugo will be written. We can verify the executable by writing Hugo help, and you can see Hugo is also installed on the system. Now for the last step, we would like to configure a website. And to configure the website, we need to go to the sites folder, and we need to run the following command. As you will see, this is really simple. We will take first website.com. What will happen in the background if we go to our local C drive, to Hugo and sites, we will see the first website is created, and a lot of files and folders, which will be the structure of the new website. In order to configure the website, we need the following steps to be done. First of all, we go to our website. Before configuring the website or the first web page, what is really important is to configure a theme. A theme can be found on the site's website and themes. As you can see, there is none configured. If you're not configuring this, you will not get the successful result for your web page. So the first thing will be to add a template to our website. Then let's create a new file called about.md, and let's place some text into that. Let's please display my website to that contact.md. In order to start a website, as you can see, it is served on localhost port 1313. And in case we want to see it, we control click on it, and we are on the website already. Now we have our first web page configured, and as you saw, the installation and configuration for Hugo was really simple, done using only Chocolatey, and we can start now configuring our website and adjust it to our needs using the Markdown language and simple text files. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you a pleasant day ahead, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.